confession to make. For years now, I've been telling people that stress makes you sick. But I've changed my mind about stress. I want to change yours. Let me start with a study that tracked 30,000 adults in the United States for 8 years. And they started by asking them, how much stress have you experienced in the last year? They also asked, do you think that stress is harmful for your health? People who experienced a lot of stress in the previous year had a 43% increased risk of dying. But that was only true for the people who also believe that stress is harmful for their health. But people who experienced a lot of stress but did not view stress as harmful for their health had the lowest risk of dying as anyone in the studies. 182,000 Americans died prematurely from the belief that stress is harmful for their health. Now, I want you all to pretend that you are participants in the study. You came into the laboratory. You have to give a 5-minute impromptu speech about your personal weaknesses to a panel of expert evaluators. Now, if you were actually in the study, you might be a little stressed out. Your heart may be pounding, you might be breathing a little faster. Now, normally we interpret these physical changes as anxiety, but what if you view them instead as a sign that your body is preparing you to meet the challenges? So, what I want you all to do is just every time you feel stress, every time you feel anxieties, just think it as something or your body is preparing you to meet. And everyone has stress. Everyone has stress. You just need to learn to live with it. Thank you.